So anyway people, hello, how you going? This is Glenn. Today we're going to have a discussion of the word use. So, in Australian English, probably American English as well, use is a plural word. It means you all. So, generally, if you don't want to use in a formal sense, just replace it with you all. And how would you use this in a sentence? Well, if you're having a fight with other people, then you go, Youse are fuckheads. You all are fuckheads. And Youse can go get fucked. Youse can go get fucked. Or you can say you all can go get fucked. And another way you could say is that Youse are really top people. So you put it at the start of the sentence generally, and you're referring to a group of people that are over there. There, or there. And that's basically how you use the word use. So don't get confused. Just use it for a plural for a group of people. Alright? Yous are all awesome people for watching my video. Thank you and bye bye.